and that's when that airway has some partial or full collapse and can lead to very fragmented sleep. So you can wake up not refreshed because you really didn't get quality sleep during the nighttime. And snoring, I think, in our society has become just an accepted norm that can happen as you get older, but that is not always the case, that it is a benign symptom. And so, making sure that you talk to your primary care doctor and potentially get a sleep study, I think, is incredibly important.
Is sleep apnea the most common disorder that you see?